Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore an important topic for men's health: 10 foods that wreck prostate health. Understanding these foods will help you better protect your health and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's get started. First, what is the prostate gland? The prostate gland is a small gland in the male reproductive system, about the size and shape of a walnut. It plays a crucial role in producing seminal fluid, which nourishes and protects sperm. The fluid produced by the prostate accounts for about 20 to 30% of the total semen volume and contains various enzymes and nutrients needed to maintain sperm vitality and motility. Location of the prostate gland. The prostate gland is located just below the bladder, where urine is stored before being expelled from the body. This allows the prostate to control the flow of urine. It surrounds the upper part of the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder through the penis to be expelled. Any changes in the size or function of the prostate can directly affect the flow of urine and the process of urination. The prostate is also situated just in front of the rectum, the last part of the large intestine. This allows doctors to feel and examine the prostate through the rectum via a digital rectal exam, DRE. The prostate is also located behind the pubic bone, part of the pelvic structure. This provides a layer of protection but also means that any changes in the prostate can cause discomfort or pain in the pelvic area. Importance of the prostate gland in semen production and reproductive function. The prostate gland produces about 20 to 30% of the fluid in semen, which contains many essential nutrients and enzymes. These substances provide energy and protection for sperm, helping them move more efficiently. Prostatic fluid is alkaline, helping to neutralize the acidic environment of the vagina, creating a favorable condition for sperm survival and fertilization. During ejaculation, the prostate contracts strongly to expel semen from the body. This ensures that sperm are well mixed in the semen, optimizing their mobility and fertilization potential. The health of the prostate directly affects the quality of semen. A healthy prostate helps produce semen rich in nutrients and essential enzymes, increasing the chances of successful fertilization. Top 10 common foods that can damage your prostate. 1. Caffeine. Caffeine found in beverages like coffee, black tea, and energy drinks can harm the prostate. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system and causes spasms in the smooth muscles around the prostate and bladder, leading to pain and discomfort, especially in those with prostate issues like prostatitis or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Caffeine also acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and causing frequent urination, which can be bothersome and disrupt sleep. Additionally, caffeine causes dehydration, making urine more concentrated and irritating the urinary tract, and leads to toxin buildup, which can cause inflammation and other prostate issues. Long-term and high-level caffeine consumption can worsen symptoms of prostatitis and BPH, and even increase the risk of developing prostate diseases, including cancer. To protect prostate health, it is advisable to limit caffeine intake and replace it with healthier beverages like caffeine-free herbal teas, water, or fresh fruit juices. Ensure adequate daily water intake to maintain hydration and effectively eliminate toxins. 2. Fried foods. Fried foods, such as French fries, fried chicken, and other deep-fried snacks, can harm prostate health due to their high trans fat and saturated fat content. Trans fats in fried foods can cause inflammation and atherosclerosis, reducing blood circulation and negatively affecting the prostate. Saturated fats increase bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, contributing to the development of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and making urination difficult. Fried foods are often low in fiber and essential nutrients, increasing the risk of constipation and nutrient deficiencies, while containing many empty calories that cause weight gain and pressure on the prostate. Regular consumption of fried foods can lead to obesity and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, affecting prostate function and overall health. To reduce negative effects, limit the consumption of fried foods, choose healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, boiling, use olive oil or canola oil, and incorporate fiber-rich and anti-inflammatory foods such as green vegetables, fruits, whole grains, turmeric, ginger, and garlic into your diet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other helpful videos. 3. Soy. Soy and soy products such as tofu, soy milk, miso, and tempeh are well known for their numerous health benefits due to their high content of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. However, soy contains isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that has a similar structure to estrogen, the female sex hormone. When consuming a lot of soy, the body may mistake isoflavones for estrogen, leading to changes in hormone levels. Some studies indicate that consuming excessive amounts of soy and isoflavones can reduce testosterone levels, a hormone crucial for male reproductive health and sexual function. Research also shows that large amounts of isoflavones can decrease sperm production and cause hormonal imbalances, leading to fatigue, reduced sexual desire, and mood changes. To benefit from soy without affecting hormone levels, it is advisable to consume soy in moderation and combine it with other protein sources such as lean meat, fish, eggs, and nuts. If experiencing any unusual symptoms related to reproductive health or hormones, it is recommended to consult a doctor for advice and to adjust the diet accordingly. 4. Processed meats. Processed meats include products such as sausages, ham, bacon, canned meat, and cured meats, which are often processed through methods like salting, smoking, fermenting, or adding preservatives to extend shelf life and enhance flavor. Consuming large amounts of processed meats can harm prostate health due to their high content of preservatives and saturated fats. Common preservatives like nitrites and nitrates can convert into N-nitroso compounds, which are known carcinogens, increasing the risk of developing prostate cancer. Processed meats typically contain large amounts of saturated fats, which can raise bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood, leading to inflammation and clogged blood vessels, affecting blood circulation and prostate health. Many processed meats also contain artificial flavors and colors, which can cause irritation and inflammation, negatively impacting the immune system and increasing the risk of infections, including prostatitis. A diet high in processed meats and saturated fats can also increase the risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition where the prostate enlarges excessively, causing urinary problems. To reduce risk, it is advisable to limit the intake of processed meats and replace them with healthier protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, and nuts. Prioritize fresh, unprocessed meats or those with fewer preservatives, and carefully read product labels to avoid preservatives like nitrites and nitrates. Incorporate foods rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to balance the diet and protect prostate health and overall well-being. 5. Canned foods. Canned foods can harm prostate health due to their high salt content and preservatives. Consuming too much salt can lead to high blood pressure and increase the risk of prostate enlargement, causing difficulty in urination. Preservatives such as sodium nitrite and sodium benzoate can cause irritation and inflammation, increasing the risk of prostatitis and toxin accumulation in the body. Canned foods are often low in fiber, essential for a healthy digestive system, and contain unhealthy fats that can harm cardiovascular health and circulation. To reduce negative effects, limit the consumption of canned foods, prioritize fresh foods, and prepare meals at home. When buying canned foods, carefully read labels to choose products with less salt and preservatives. Incorporate fiber-rich and anti-inflammatory foods like green vegetables, fruits, whole grains, turmeric, ginger, and nuts into your diet. 6. Alcohol drink. Drinking too much alcohol can seriously harm prostate health. It can lower testosterone levels, a crucial hormone for maintaining prostate health and reproductive function, leading to reduced sexual desire, erectile dysfunction, and decreased fertility. Alcohol can also irritate and inflame the prostate, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections and causing symptoms such as pain, discomfort, and increased frequency of urination. Consuming alcohol can also cause difficulty urinating, painful urination, and nocturia, affecting sleep quality in daily life. Long-term use of alcohol can contribute to the development of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and increase the risk of prostate cancer. To reduce negative effects, limit daily alcohol intake, choose alternatives like fruit juices, water, or herbal tea, and drink enough water to flush out toxins. Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties like fruits, vegetables, turmeric, ginger, garlic, and nuts can also help protect the prostate. 7. Carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks like sodas contain high amounts of sugar, artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and artificial flavors that can harm the prostate. The high sugar content in carbonated drinks can lead to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for prostate disease. Consuming a lot of sugar also causes inflammation in the body, including the prostate, leading to symptoms of prostatitis such as pain and discomfort during urination. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose can cause chemical reactions in the body, affecting the immune system and increasing the risk of inflammation. Preservatives like benzoate and sulfite, along with artificial flavors, can cause irritation and inflammation when consumed in large quantities. Regular consumption of carbonated drinks can lead to obesity and chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, both of which are high-risk factors for prostate disease. The sugar and chemicals in carbonated drinks can also cause hormonal changes, affecting the balance of male hormones and prostate health. To protect prostate health, it is advisable to limit the intake of carbonated drinks and replace them with healthier options like water, fresh fruit juices, and herbal teas. Carefully check product labels to avoid artificial sweeteners and preservatives. Prioritize drinks without sugar and artificial preservatives, and increase the intake of foods and beverages rich in natural nutrients. 8. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products such as cheese, ice cream, yogurt, and butter can affect the prostate by increasing the levels of the hormone insulin-like growth factor, IGF, a protein hormone important in cell growth. When consuming a lot of milk and dairy products, the IGF-1 levels in the body increase. This can be associated with uncontrolled cell growth, including prostate cancer cells. Scientific research has shown that people who consume a lot of milk and dairy products have a higher risk of developing prostate cancer. Additionally, milk and dairy products often contain saturated fats. These can increase bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and affect cardiovascular and prostate health. To reduce the risk, you should consume milk and dairy products in moderation, not more than 2 to 3 servings per day. Choose low-fat dairy products. Replacing animal milk with plant-based milk such as almond milk or oat milk is also a good option. Regular prostate health checkups are very important, especially for those over 40 or with a family history of prostate disease. While milk and dairy products provide many essential nutrients, excessive consumption can increase the risk related to prostate health. 9. Spicy food. Spicy and highly seasoned foods can irritate the prostate and bladder, causing various health issues. Capsaicin in chili peppers, which causes a hot and spicy sensation, can irritate the stomach and intestinal lining, leading to overall digestive system stimulation, including the prostate. Eating too many spicy foods can lead to inflammation, causing pain and increasing the frequency of urination. Additionally, spicy foods can increase the frequency of urination and cause a burning sensation, making urination uncomfortable and painful. Digestive disorders such as diarrhea, stomach pain, and nausea can also result from consuming spicy foods, indirectly affecting the prostate and bladder. Continuous inflammation from spicy foods can worsen prostate inflammation and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. To reduce negative effects, limit the use of spicy seasonings, choose less spicy foods, and pay attention to your body's reactions. Adding fiber-rich and anti-inflammatory foods such as green vegetables, fruits, whole grains, turmeric, ginger, salmon, and nuts can also help reduce inflammation. 10. Saturated fat-rich foods. Saturated fat-rich foods like butter, lard, and unhealthy vegetable oils such as palm oil and coconut oil can harm prostate health. Consuming large amounts of saturated fats increases bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood, causing artery blockage and reduced blood circulation. This leads to inflammation, including prostatitis, causing pain and discomfort during urination. High LDL levels also increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, affecting blood circulation and overall health, which in turn increases the risk of prostate conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. Saturated fats can also disrupt hormone balance in the body, reducing testosterone production, and affecting male reproductive health and sexual function. To protect prostate health, it is advisable to limit the intake of saturated fat-rich foods and replace them with healthier vegetable oils like olive oil, canola oil, and almond oil. Prioritize low-fat foods. Use low-fat or fat-free dairy products, lean meats, and protein-rich foods that do not contain saturated fats. Increase the intake of foods rich in unsaturated fats like salmon, avocados, nuts, and fish oil to improve cardiovascular and prostate health. Recognizing and avoiding these foods is a crucial step in protecting your prostate health and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The prostate is an essential part of the male reproductive system, and taking good care of it can significantly improve your quality of life and prevent serious health conditions. In addition to avoiding harmful foods, consider incorporating foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients to support prostate health. Remember, small changes in your daily diet can lead to significant improvements in overall health. If you have any symptoms related to your prostate or questions about your diet, consult with a doctor or nutritionist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other helpful videos. We strive to bring you the most useful and up-to-date information on health. See you in the next video.